Hello, welcome to this Bakement's video. We're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to look at a tool that's useful for Linux server administration. In this case, we're going to look at WinSCP, which is good for using SCP to push files to your Bacon server. So to start off with, I'll open up a web browser. And we're going to go to https winscp.net. And I'll go to download now and grab WinSCP. Install is pretty straightforward and pretty quick, so I'll just keep going here. Leave everything as default, then click install. With WinSCP, one important thing is to select your file protocol. So here I have SFTP by default. You want to switch this to SCP. Then for my host name, I'll type the name of my Bacon server, in this case demo.baconunlimited.com. Port 22 is fine. Then my username and password. Now you can choose the option to save here, and it'll put it over here on the left hand side, as well as I believe if you're using PuTTY, it can import those sessions into here as well. So I'll save, and I won't save the password. Then I can choose login. I'll accept this. And just like that, you now have access to this Bacon server. We can just easily drag and drop a file from our side over to the Bacon server. So for example, I open my documents folder, make a new file, then I can just go here, drag and drop to that server. Just like that, you can get files on your Bacon server. This will be very useful for any kind of installs and upgrades. And before we end this, I do want to go over some of the different UI elements in WinSCP, as they may not be as intuitive as I'd like. So on the left-hand side and the right-hand side, these are just mirrors of one another. Right here, we have just common locations. So by default, it has the folder I'm in, my documents, then desktop, and the C drive. Then right here, this is how you can open up other paths. So if I want to go to just my user folder, I can click this and either type in my path here or use browse, right? And this just gives you your standard like mini Windows file browser. So that's one thing. You can also add like different locations as a site bookmark, which is kind of nice. In case you go back to the same places often, it'll be available for you. Then there's also this for going to your parent directory, going to the root folder, going to the home directory, as well as refresh. Sometimes on the server end especially, you won't see the latest files, so you have to click refresh here, and that will just update whatever has changed on the server so you can drag files back and forth. Thanks for joining us in this Bakement's video, and we'll see you next time.